class today, I'm going to be showing you how to properly use scissors. So the first thing is safety. So you always want to cut away from yourself and never towards anyone else, and never run with scissors. And when you're moving with scissors, always hold them like this with the blade down, hand over the blade so you don't open it and hurt anyone. Scissors and you put your thumb through the little hole like this, and then you wrap your other fingers around through the big hole like this. And if your fingers are too big for the hole, you can always have your other fingers tucked in like this below the blade. So now that you're holding the scissors properly, I'm going to show you how to cut. Grab a piece of paper and you hold it in your other hand. Then you open the scissors and put the blade over the paper. Then you close it. And you open it again. Just slide that blade forward. Close it. You do that until you get to the end of the paper. Like that. And then if you want to cut a circle, you do basically the same thing. You get to a good starting point, and then you rotate the paper as you cut, as that will help you cut a circle better. And that is the gist of paper cutting. So have a fun, safe time.